Hey everybody, so today I'm gonna do a little body work on my car. So this front bumper has kind of faded really bad compared to the rest of the car. You can see kind of the sheen difference here, how this is still pretty shiny and this has gotten really kind of dull and rough now. And so I'm gonna sand down that front bumper. I'm gonna wet sand it with a few different grits sandpaper. I've already gotten the paint to match, so gonna sand that down, tape it off, and paint it. This is just kind of gonna be a little bit of a time-lapse video. I'll probably record some bits here and there, different things I'm doing. So I hope you enjoy watching this, and let's get started. Alright, so I got it all sanded and cleaned off. I sanded it with 100, 220, and 1500 grit sandpaper. And so I'm gonna go, well, I sprayed it all off with water, so I'm gonna let it dry real good. And then I'm gonna grab some masking tape and tape off everything and get ready to paint. Alright, so here's the finished product. We ended up putting about 2 coats of the color on, and we did 2 coats of clear coat on top of it as well. And the color match was really close. Looks just about perfect. So I think that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps somebody, and I'll see you guys in the next one.